how to turn off comments on all your TikTok posts. So hello guys, in this script video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open TikTok app. Once you open that, you guys will see on down right side profiles, so simply click on there. Now here you guys can see on top right corner 3 lines, so simply click on that. Here you guys will see activity center, so simply click on activity center. Now here you guys will see watch history, comment history, source history, and a lot of things. But for managing command, we will simply click on manage command permission. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see all your posts. So for example, I want to disable comments on my all posts all at once. So for that I will simply select all posts like that. After that I will simply click on next. Here you guys will see allow comments, don't allow comments. So simply click on don't allow comments. And after that click on update. Once you click on update, there's it, your comments will be disabled on all your posts. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.